Have you ever wondered how one simple natural oil from your home can slowly change the way your face looks and feels in just 15 days? Many people spend money on costly creams and treatments, but they forget that nature has already given us powerful solutions. Today we are talking about castor oil for the face, often called nature's magical oil. In this video, you will learn what castor oil really is, how it works on the skin, the right way to use it, what changes you may notice in 15 days, and the safety points you must never ignore. Please watch till the end because small mistakes can change your results completely. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this channel is dedicated to simple and natural health and beauty tips that you can follow at home without confusion. Everything shared here is easy to understand and suitable for daily life. If you enjoy natural remedies and honest information, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss upcoming videos. Now let us first understand what castor oil actually is. Castor oil is a thick and pale yellow oil that comes from castor seeds. It has been used for hundreds of years in traditional care systems for skin, hair, and general wellness. One important reason castor oil is special is because it contains a natural fatty acid called ricinoleic acid. This fatty acid gives castor oil its unique texture and many of its skin-friendly qualities. Because of this, castor oil behaves differently from many other oils when applied to the face. When people talk about using castor oil on the face, the first benefit they often notice is deep moisture. Castor oil helps the skin hold moisture for a longer time. Dry skin usually happens when water escapes too quickly from the skin surface. Castor oil forms a gentle protective layer that slows this water loss. As a result, the skin feels softer and more comfortable, especially during dry weather or after washing the face frequently. Another important benefit of castor oil is its calming nature. Many people experience redness, mild swelling, or irritation on the face due to pollution, sun exposure, or stress. Castor oil contains natural properties that may help calm the skin and support a balanced skin environment. When used correctly, it can help the face look more relaxed and less stressed over time. Castor oil is also often discussed in relation to acne care. Some studies suggest that castor oil has antimicrobial properties. This means it may help reduce the growth of certain bacteria on the skin surface. Acne can develop when pores are clogged and bacteria grow inside them. By keeping the skin moisturized and supporting cleanliness, castor oil may help improve the overall appearance of acne-prone skin. However, it is important to remember that every skin type is different. Another reason many people use castor oil on their face is to improve skin texture. Regular and careful use can make the skin feel smoother to the touch. When the skin stays hydrated, it reflects light better and looks healthier. Over time, this hydration can make fine lines appear less noticeable because dry skin often makes lines look deeper than they really are. Before using castor oil on your face, safety must always come first. Castor oil is natural, but natural does not always mean suitable for everyone. Some people have sensitive skin that may react to thick oils. That is why a patch test is very important. Apply a small amount of diluted castor oil on the inside of your arm and wait for 24 hours. If you notice redness, itching, or burning, it is best not to use it on your face. Castor oil is also very thick compared to other oils. Because of this, many skincare experts suggest mixing it with a lighter carrier oil. Oils like jojoba oil or sweet almond oil help reduce thickness and allow easier absorption. This also lowers the risk of clogged pores, especially for people with oily or combination skin. Now let us talk about how castor oil actually works once it is on your face. When applied to clean skin, castor oil helps seal moisture inside. It supports the natural skin barrier, which protects the skin from dryness and outside damage. The fatty acids in castor oil nourish the skin surface and help maintain softness. Over time, consistent use may help improve how your skin feels and looks, even though results vary from person to person. It is important to understand that castor oil is not a miracle overnight solution. Natural care takes time and patience. That is why the 15-day routine is helpful. It gives your skin enough time to adjust and respond without stress. For the first 3 days, start slowly. Clean your face gently using a mild cleanser. Mix 2 drops of castor oil with 6 drops of a carrier oil. Warm the mixture slightly between your fingers and apply a thin layer on your face at night. Massage gently using slow circular movements. This allows your skin to get used to the oil. From day 4 to day 10, consistency is key. Clean your face morning and night. At night, apply the same oil mixture after cleansing. Focus on areas that feel dry or rough. Avoid heavy application. The goal is nourishment, not excess oil. In the morning, wash your face gently and apply your regular moisturizer if needed. From day 11 to day 15, you may notice your skin feels softer and more balanced. Continue using the oil at night. If your skin feels comfortable, you can leave the oil on overnight. In the morning, cleanse your face as usual. Always observe how your skin responds and adjust if needed. To support better results, remember to drink enough water every day. Skin health depends not only on what you apply outside, but also on how you care for your body inside. Keep your pillowcases clean to avoid oil buildup. Avoid touching your face too often during the day. Always remember that natural remedies work best with patience and care. If irritation appears at any stage, reduce usage or stop completely. Healthy skin is about balance, not force. Now you have learned how castor oil can be used for the face, how to apply it safely, and how a simple 15-day routine may help improve skin texture and hydration. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and share it with someone who loves natural skincare. Subscribe to the channel for more easy and honest wellness content. Write a comment below and share your experience or questions. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.